Overlooking the mesmerizing sapphire-hued waters of the Pacific Ocean, quietly nestled and tucked away in the heart of the Malibu Mountains, discover this resort-style estate. The legendary Malibu Dream Resort is a landmark vineyard estate and perched on its own private mountaintop. The beautiful Mediterranean mansion is reminiscent of an opulent Italian villa and future generous living spaces with approximately 10,000 square feet of living space. It is the perfect blend of old-world elegance with modern luxury and offers breathtaking views of the Santa Monica Mountains and the Pacific Ocean. The villa is set on 51 pristine acres and accessed by a private entry drive that leads up to the impressive masterpiece villa. Inside, there are towering cathedral ceilings, polished hardwood floors and stone countertops, a gourmet commercial-grade kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances and separate prep kitchen adjacent. The owner's suite is luxurious and includes a spa-like bath, salon, and generous walk-in closets, his and hers. In addition, there are 6 comfortable guest suites, a modern room, gym, and oversized garage for 8 cars. The exterior features wraparound stone decks, a loggia with fireplace and dining area that flow out to the amazing pool and spa. The home is magnificent enough to entertain in the highest style while maintaining an air of intimacy. The outdoor area is the largest residential flatland in Malibu. The exterior is surrounded by 2 of the most beautiful koi ponds, boasting with trickling waterfalls, weeping greenery, and flowing branches decorated with fairy lights, with unobstructed breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. The property overlooks the entire Malibu wine country along with fruit orchards. It has been the site of numerous Hollywood movie shoots, celebrity getaways, and lavish weddings. The home was sold for $8 million in October 2020.